Now we are all unpacked and ready to go. So this is our this is the pictures.
Yeah. So that's the bed. That's my daddy's side.
Blake's side.
And
my side.
And then that's that side.
Those Vicks.
And the dresser.
Masks.
And then we have
sunglasses.
This just table. And then this is my mommy's
let's look
side.
at our view here. Oh, you can't really see much.
Yeah, I can. I think you do.
It's a little foggy.
I did a little foggy.
And then,
okay, so you go into the bathroom. You go into the bathroom right here. You look right here, okay? Sure, okay, right
yes.
here. Okay,
hold on, closets.
Stand right there, Mommy.
Plenty of space for all of us.
Mommy, stand right there.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yay!
Hey! Okay.
So, this is the big bathtub. We have that little cot, and here's all our stuff.
Yeah.
Getting ready. So, Mommy, I've never seen those couples.
And then our other bathroom.
We have a bathroom.
Shower. You're chomping on that gum, girl. Laundry.
Laundry. We have. It was really nice, and they gave us another suitcase holder.
And we've got our jackets, our raincoats. It's okay. Then this is a closet that's full of all of our luggage, empty luggage.
I never saw that.
There's a whole bunch of our empty luggage.
And then here's our stuff.
And we have our front door. More hangers that we haven't put anything on. Dining room.
And then I want to show you my bedroom. I want to show you my bedroom.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. All right.
Okay, so this is my little area. I play with my dolly here. I have my band that has a mini. And I have my little necklace. I have my mask. And my bracelet. And then this is my setup. I have a Pluto pillow that we got from when we went on the Disney cruise. And I have my blanket with my Minnie Mouse. And then here's our dresser.
Yeah.
Clothes.
Eyes. Kenzie's.
And my dad's sitting down. We're waiting for Kenzie to film us.
Okay, Kenzie.
So, this is my bed. Next to pillow. Then the stitch that I
That's our new stitch, yep.
And then my normal one, so. And then my stitch target because I have a stitch.
Yes, you
And then
do.
over here on my bedside table, I have the mask for tomorrow. My little YouTube balcony, my glasses case, my Apple Watch, and my phone.
Yep. Then we have the bag full of all the toys for the trip, and then all of the
Oh yeah, I
groceries.
forgot about the shoes.
And then out here,
Oh yeah, we have a beautiful view.
hold on, is, and that you can't see is the waterway. It's so
If you guys
pretty.
think it's cold outside, it's not actually that cold.
Feels fantastic out. And we got some seats right here.
It's kind of like a small deck.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, a lot of gum chewing happening right now. All right, so we are going to hang out and then go to bed. Yeah, baby.
outfits.
All right, we are going to rest for a little bit and then we are going to go to bed. So good night.